talk about ECGs. So if you take an ECG, any ECG, you should read it in this order in order not to miss anything in the ECG. Rate, rhythm, axis, waves, intervals, segments. Okay, now let's see how to calculate rate of an ECG. Okay, how to calculate rate of an ECG? So what do? You have P wave, you have QRS, T wave, another P wave, QRS, another T wave, right? Now you should calculate the number of large boxes between the two R waves, between the two R waves, number of large boxes, or you can calculate number of small boxes. If you calculate the number of large boxes, take 300 divided by number of large boxes. This is the easiest method, but if you want more accurate values, what you got to do is divide 1500 by calculating number of small boxes. Okay, this gives you more accurate value.